apologies for interrupting. We have breaking updates now coming in. An oil tanker carrying nearly 2 lakh tons of crude oil for IOCL has been docked at Paradip Port. The ship sailed from South Korea via Singapore. Of the 25 crew members on board, 21 are reportedly from Pakistan. So that's the update coming in of the high security at the port after a Hong Kong flagged oil tanker MT Siren 2 arrived with 21 Pakistani nationals among the 25-member crew. My colleague Sabyasachi is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Sabyasachi, at a time of such heightened tensions with Pakistan, the crew from Pakistan has increased the radar and the concerns around the same. What are the details of the crew members? What are the details?
Well, that's right, Pratibha. See, after the Pahalgam attack, restrictions has been put out on the maritime movement of Pakistan. Now, this particular ship, which belongs to Hong Kong, was coming from South Korea via Singapore and has docked at the Paradip port. So this particular ship is carrying 1 lakh metric ton of crude oil, since the material is volatile, and also among the 25 nationals in the ship, 21 of them are Pakistan. That is the reason why extreme cautions are being maintained at the port, and the port authority has informed the maritime police as well as the CISF and other agencies about this development, and that is the reason why the authorities have not allowed the ship to dock at the port. Rather, they have asked the ship to anchor itself at the SPM, which is a single point mooring in Paradip port, and the offloading is underway. Now the offloading is being carried out using single boats. Now, because of the Pakistan nationals being present inside the ship, strict instruction has been given that all the crew members need to stay inside the ship. None of them should come out of the ship, and that is the reason why extreme cautions are being maintained at the Paradip airport, with the CISF, the maritime police and local police currently present over there.
Okay, all right, Sabyasachi, do stay with us. Let's bring out the details that we have at the moment. Heightened security measures have been enforced. This is at the Paradip port after a Hong Kong flagged oil tanker, the MT Siren 2, has arrived with 21 Pakistani nationals. There are 25 members as part of this crew, and 21 of them are Pakistani nationals, which is why there is heightened security there, considering this comes at a time when there is heightened tension with Pakistan. Now, we've seen, following Operation Sindoor and the recent concerns that India has raised as well, any presence of the Pakistani nationals on Indian soil in the Indian ports is going to be of grave concern, which is why now security measures have been heightened, and India has made it extremely clear that the Pakistani crew is going to be under strict watch. Remember, the Pakistan nationals, those who were even on visa here, had been asked to leave immediately due to these tensions. These are the crew members, and they are currently under strict watch.